So let's talk about editing styles. Now, there are a number of ways to edit all members within a given style within Retail Pro. One way is to edit styles in Item View. So if you're editing a whole style in Item View, let me write this down. You could potentially be editing a style definition field, right? Department code, vendor code, description 1, description 2, or both. If that's the case, if you're editing a style definition, then what Retail Pro will do is will ask you if you want to apply the change to all members of the style, because again, all members of a given style must have the same style definition, right? Or it will ask you if you want to apply the change to just a given member. And if that's the case, then you're going to have to remove the item from the style. Because if you're editing a style definition field, right, department code, vendor code, description 1, 2, or both, and you only want to apply that change to a given item, well, that item can't be part of the style anymore because now its style definition is different from the others. So Retail Pro will ask you to remove the item from the style, making it its own style. Okay? Now, you could also be editing a non-style definition field. Anything besides department code, vendor code, description 1, description 2, or both, right? If you're editing a non-style definition field, then Retail Pro really doesn't care. You can just change that one item, and it doesn't really impact the other items within that style. For example, if you're just changing the description 3 or 4, Retail Pro will let you change just the description 3 or 4. It won't ask you if you want to apply that change to all members of that style. Now, if you did want to apply that change to a non-style definition field to all members of a given style, then you have an option. You can use this button called Update Style. So use this Update Style button, and Retail Pro will automatically apply that change to all members of that style. So this is really a great way to make quick changes across the entire style when dealing with a non-style definition field, commission code, promotional number, things of that nature, right? Typically they apply across the style, but they're not a style definition field, so Retail Pro won't automatically ask you to apply that change across the style. So you can just make the change, and then you can use this Update Style button to basically copy that change across the entire style. It's quite effective. Okay, so again, you can edit styles in Item View. Now, the other method is to edit styles in Style View. If you do it this way, you're basically going to update the entire style automatically. Whether it's a style definition field, department code, vendor code, description 1, 2, or both, or a non-style definition field like description 3 or 4 or commission code or tax code, anything else. If you make the change in the style view, automatically it applies to the entire style. So it's really up to you what you want to do. You can make the change in item view, and you can use this update style button. Or if it's a style definition field, Retail Pro will automatically prompt you to make the change across the entire style or to break the style if needed. Or you can make the change in style view, and automatically all members within that style will be updated. That's it. Those are the two different ways to edit styles within Retail Pro.